forgot the passcode of your iPhone and now it shows iPhone unavailable after you have put the wrong passcode a few times, then don't panic, cause you still might be able to reset your iPhone passcode without losing any data, whether you have the iPhone 17 Pro Max or any iPhone running the latest iOS. First, make sure you're in the iPhone unavailable screen by putting in the wrong password a few times. And now you'll get the forget passcode option. Tap on it, and in case you have changed your passcode recently, then you'll get the enter previous passcode option. So just tap on it, put in your previous passcode, and you'll be able to enter a new passcode and unlock your phone without losing any data. Unfortunately, if you don't have the enter previous passcode option and it only shows the option to reset your iPhone, just relax, give it a few times, sleep on it, then there's a high chance you'll remember your passcode once again. You can also wait for a few days and use a different phone if needed. But if you just can't recall your passcode, then the only option will be tapping on Forgot Passcode, then choosing Start iPhone Reset. Then you need to enter your Apple ID password to disable the activation lock. That will ask you whether you want to erase your eSIM or not. No matter which option you choose, it will erase all your data. I'll choose to keep the eSIMs. Now your iPhone will start resetting, after which you'll be able to recover your data if you have it on your iCloud. Now just set up your iPhone, and you can get back to using it once again. In your case, if you don't even get the Forgot Passcode option, then the only solution you have left is resetting your iPhone using a PC. You can watch our quick guide to get it done as quickly as possible. And that's all I have for you. Hopefully this video helped you out. Good luck!